Are you looking for the best yoga mat to support your practice? With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one for your needs. In this video, we'll explore the top yoga mats available and help you make an informed decision. First, consider the material. Natural rubber mats provide excellent grip and support, while PVC mats are lightweight and easy to clean. Eco-friendly mats made from cork or jute are also great options for those looking for sustainable materials. Next, think about thickness. A thicker mat can provide more cushioning and support for your joints, but may be less stable during balancing poses. A thinner mat is easier to transport and may be more suitable for a vigorous practice. Finally, consider the texture. Mats with a smooth surface are great for flowing movements, while mats with a textured surface provide better grip for static poses. Based on these factors, some of the best yoga mats on the market include the Manduka Pro Lite, Liform Yoga Mat, Jade Harmony Professional Mat, and the Gayam Sol Dry Grip Yoga Mat. Each of these mats offers unique features to support your practice, so it's important to determine your priorities and choose the one that best fits your needs. Investing in a high-quality yoga mat can make a significant difference in the quality of your practice. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, the right mat can help you feel more grounded, focused, and connected. So, choose wisely and enjoy your practice.